Let's kick off this course with a quick explanation of the MVVM pattern. MVVM stands for Model View View Model. In this image, you can see how the architecture looks like. The view is responsible for defining the UI layout of what the user sees on screen. Ideally, each view is defined in XAML with a limited code behind that does not contain business logic. However, in some cases, the code behind might contain UI logic that implements visual behavior that is difficult to express in XAML, such as animation. The view model implements properties and commands to which the view can data bind to and notifies the view of any state changes through data bindings. You are going to learn about data bindings soon. The view model is also responsible for coordinating the view's interaction with any model classes that are required. There is typically one-to-many relationship between the view model and the model classes. And lastly, we have the model layer. Model classes are classes that store data. You might ask, how are these layers organized? At a high level, the view knows about the view model, and the view model knows about the model. But the model is unaware of the view model, and the view model does not know anything about the view. Therefore, the view model isolates the view from the model and allows the model to evolve independently of the view. What are some benefits of using MVVM? It's possible to write unit tests for the view model and the model without using the view. The unit tests for the view model can check the exactly same functionality as used by the view. Second, the app UI can be redesigned without touching the code, provided that the view is implemented entirely in XAML. Therefore, a new version of the view should work with the existing view model. And lastly, designers and developers can work in parallel, meaning UI and business logic can be implemented independently from each other. Okay, let's dive into some code and show you how the MVVM looks like in Xamarin. In the next lecture, you are going to see MVVM parts. We are going to start slowly, create a new project from scratch, and build a simple to-do app